Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make an Outlook or email or Gmail signature using Canva. What you need to do is go to your canva.com, log in or sign up using a password, and the dashboard or the home page is going to appear in your screen this way. Now you are going to go create a new design for your email signature. This is quite modern and it is very easy to create it through Canva. What does a typical Gmail signature consists of? It usually has your name, your professional photo, your job title. For instance, you are a contact manager, your phone number, and your Gmail. And then you can put it on your email as your email signature. So let's just deep dive into it. It is very easy, but you're going to go click on your create. This option is available. Now what you can do is customize it and start from the scratch. You're going to write here your width. Let's just say 600 to 200 is going to be your height. Now you're going to create a design and you are going to create it from the scratch. You see this is a blank page. You're going to go create it from the scratch. Or you can also simply type here email signature and do your stuff on your own. This is quite time taking and I'm going to skip this part. I'm simply going to go click on my template because Canva has so many templates for email signatures. You can simply go click on your templates here. You see, let's just write here. Let me show you my first email signature that I was trying to create. This is the type of email signature that I was trying to create, or a simple one. This is simply, I've done nothing, simply changed the photo. Here, what you're going to go is write email signature. You see there's an option of email signature. You could use email newsletter, etc. as well. You see there's so many options, 2,362 templates. So what I'm trying to teach you guys is how you can create a solid email signature for your email for free. That you guys don't have to buy no premium offer. If you guys are looking for more into Canva, then you can use this premium features, or you can also use the free trials for 30 days. It is completely for free. Here you see there's an option of create a blank email signature. As I told you guys, you are going to start from the scratch. But if you're looking for the new ideas and are not ready to use your ideas, what you're going to do is choose any one of these templates and try to choose the type of the templates that are free. You see this is not the premium one, so I'm simply going to click and choose this one. Or you can also look for more designs. I don't like this one, so I'm going to choose a better one. Let's just say I'm going to choose this one. You're going to click on customize this template. It is going to take half a minute to load. Now you can edit it by using so many features like design, elements, text, brands. Again, this is for the premium users. You can upload the pictures, you can use different tools. You can also use the apps, different projects, you can use the magic media. So let's just hop on to what we're looking for. I am going to write here, for instance, if you don't want that image, you can simply click on it. I'm going to undo it. You can also change the style. You can change whatever you want. I am going to get rid of this text and write my own. Let's just say I write here summer soul. I'm writing whatever. You're going to write your name. Here you're going to edit your phone number, your Gmail. Here you're going to write your address and the name of your site. If something is unnecessary, you're simply going to delete this. Here you see there's an option of font style and font size. There's an option of text color You can add animations, you can change the position, you can add the affix. After adding the effects, you can also change the transparency. You see there are millions of options. Here, you can use any one of these. But what you need to remember is that all of these are not free. Some of these require your premium option. I will just go with the first one. You are going to click on your desired font style, and then you are going to navigate back to your text to use that font style. Moreover, if you're looking for these icons that you want them to look more professional or you want them to look different, so you are going to go to your elements option. Here you're going to type, you're looking for the email icons. You see there are a number of icons that are available here. You're going to choose any one of these. Let's just change the picture first, and then we're going to focus on the rest of it. Here you see this is the picture. If you are looking forward to any of your picture, you are simply going to go and click on upload media. If you have one, you are going to drag it over here and adjust it. It is going to appear this way. Now what you're going to do is that if you're looking for more signatures, you are going to go to your text. Here you can add a signature. Let's just write here signature, and the type of the signature that you want will actually appear here. My Gmail signature is already filled, so I'm not looking forward for that. But if you still want it, you are simply going to write here. Just say I write here Summer A B C. And this is what you're looking forward to. You can change the position. Let's say I want it here. We can do that too. Or if you're looking for keeping it look more different, so you can do it this way as well. You can increase the size. You can change the position here this way. Now you see that the image is basically hiding the signature, so I am going to change the transparency of the image. Let's say I want to make my signature look more visible, so this is what I'm going to do. Now you see this is quite wide, and I'm going to change the color of this background by going to the background color. Canva has the default setting that you can simply go choose the colors that are already present in your picture, and here, let's just say I choose this one. I like this one. You can also change the colors of your this way. You can also change all. You don't have to work too hard in this, and in this way you will be able. You can also copy this style by going to add page, and you can change the position. You can also copy the style. You can use different animations. Let's just see how the animations work on the email signature. This is how it's going to appear. If you're looking for sleek, this is how it's going to appear. You see there's so many cool options that are available here. Let's just say the fun one looks so cool. I'm going to choose this one. You can also adjust the timings of this animation by going to the timings. Here you see, let's just say I'm going to make it look for 4 seconds. Now let's just preview this. This one. You look, this is so cool. You're going to add this one on your page. Now this is done. If you want to add more changes, you can go to the elements. You can add whatever new additional features that you want to add. For instance, I want to add a line under my signature. I'm going to go click on this line, and you can also delete it whenever you want. If you think this is something more harsh or more extra, you can delete it by simply going and clicking on the delete option. I don't think this was necessary, so I'm simply going to delete it. You can also adjust the size of the picture. this way. Here is my signature, and yeah, this was my animation that I have chosen. You can use any one of these. So this is basically how your email signature is going to appear. Now what you're going to do is use this signature and add it. How are you going to add it? After you are done creating your email signature, you are going to add it on and go ahead and download this to your computer, and after downloading, you see you are going to have your new email signature. It's time to add it to your email account. First, looking at your Outlook, you will navigate this, and after navigating, you will see that there are going to be, after you navigate to the settings and click on the signature, then they'll have you add a name or that. You can do that, you can follow more steps, and in this way you would be able to put it on your email as your email signature to make it look more cool. I have shown you the complete tutorial of how you can create your email signature using Canva and edit it and use so many features, as many features as you want. It was a quick tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can just go at the end, you can go click on the share. Here there's an option of download. You can click on this download option. Now you see you can also add it into the PNG. If you use any of these premium features by limiting the file size or compress the file by changing the quality, or you can also use the transparent background. You see, I have used all the features that are free, and you don't have to be a premium user, or you don't need to try the free trial of 30 days in order to get this email signature. It's all done and dusted. You're going to click on the download and follow the further steps that I've told you. This is, guys, it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.